Sheer Khurma, a rich, creamy and festive dessert loved by all. Let's make this traditional Eid special dessert with a simple recipe. Hello, my name is Nahida and welcome to my channel Enoven Cake and Cookies. Let's get started. First, in a pot, pour 1 liter of milk and let it boil. Use full fat milk for extra richness. Stir occasionally to prevent burning. Boil for 4 to 5 minutes, then keep aside. Roasting the nuts and dry fruits. Heat 1 tablespoon ghee in a pan. Add 2 tablespoon almonds, 2 tablespoon pistachios, 2 tablespoon cashew nuts, 2 tablespoon raisin, and some chopped dates. Saute for 30 seconds until aromatic. Now add 1 cup vermicelli to the pan. Roast on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. For perfect vermicelli, always roast until golden brown for a rich nutty taste. Pour the boiled milk into the pan and stir well. Milk and nuts high in protein and calcium help strengthen bones. Let it simmer for 5 minutes so the flavors blend beautifully. Add half cup condensed milk and 1/4 cup sugar, then mix well. Try adding rose water, saffron or cardamom powder for an aromatic touch. You can reduce the amount of sugar if you want less sweetness. Cook for 2 minutes, then remove from heat. Dry fruits provide natural energy and essential nutrients. And that's it, Sheer Khurma, a traditional creamy and nutty dessert that's perfect for celebration. Enjoy warm or chilled for a delightful experience. Try this recipe and let us know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video.